Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
I don't like bugs. I don't either. I don't like gossip. I don't either. I'm not warm. I'm not either. I'm not sleepy. I'm not either. I can't get up on time. I can't either. I can't keep my room clean. I can't either. I haven't had dinner yet. I haven't either. I haven't seen my bags. I haven't either. I don't know where to go. I don't know either. I don't see the place. I don't either. I didn't see my favorite show last night. I didn't either. I didn't get to play in the game. I didn't either. I wasn't handsome in high school. I wasn't either. I wasn't healthy last year. I wasn't either.
Thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.